Good morning, everybody. Uncle Bill OGorman here from the Royal Subaru Nissan store on Route 281. And we have an absolutely fantastic selection of pre-owned vehicles, Toyotas, Nissan, Subaru, Kia. We have certified vehicles, and we also have something a lot of people have been starting to ask about. Nobody's really mentioning it, but we know that slippery white stuff is coming. And the best way to deal with that is with a quality vehicle, a four-wheel drive truck, an all-wheel drive vehicle. Subaru and Nissan has that covered. But if you want to save thousands on a truck, check out this 2018 Nissan Frontier with just 32,000 miles. That's right, just 32,000 miles. Now, we also have something for those that want to move up to, say, the full-size truck. How about this? A 2015 Chevrolet Silverado. That's right, a full four-door truck. Lots of room for many people. Absolutely stunning. And with only 40,000 miles. That power driver's seat makes it easy for whoever's behind the wheel to be comfortable. And, of course, this beautiful truck right here. Here is a 2013 Toyota Tacoma. That's right. And this truck has only 36,000 miles. So if you're thinking trucks, and you're starting to think about the snow, and your safety, and your old vehicle's costing too much in repairs, out of warranty, and you need to really find a good solution, here's a great example of some vehicles here at the Nissan Subaru store with Uncle Bill OGorman. I've got payments on this starting as low as $420 a month with $2,000 down, depending on the bank, and of course financing. Lender approval is important. So, if you're ready for a pre-owned vehicle and you'd like to save thousands off the price of a new vehicle, then come over here and see me and check out these four absolutely stunning trucks. I'm Uncle Bill OGorman. Dial me direct, 607-543-1215. And you can be driving home tomorrow what you just saw today.